Founded in 1993, Jianlian Homecare Products Co Limited is committed to making people's life easier and more convenient. We focus on the development and production of 9 categories of medical equipment, such as wheelchair, walking aid, bath bench, commode chair, rollator, walking stick, beside rail, hospital bed, and medical companion chair to meet people's health needs. We have an experienced team with more than 200 staffs. We own strong technical force and professional and technical personnel account for over 10% of the workforce to ensure our continuous development and innovation. We have the determination to help customers create products and provide different value-added services. Our products are independently developed and produced starting from the front-end materials, from design to packaging, from raw materials to product formation. We achieve one-stop production control for customized products and customers' satisfaction in terms of form, function, usability, and quality. And we constantly put forward higher requirements for quicker response and delivery of product, timely delivery of product, and launch of new product. We control production at all stages, ensure the quality of every detail, and independently carry out ERP maintenance and production scheduling. Progressive and personalized solutions for daily rehabilitation care become a part of your life. We're committed to making life easier while also reducing the burden on caregivers. The concept and purpose of our product innovation is to enable more people to have a better and dignified life after using our product. With the continuous improvement of living standards and the increasing proportion of urban aging, we have been working hard to make the daily lives of people with a disability easier. We utilize years of experience to find the best solution to achieve more possibilities for home care.